Okay, I am going to be reviewing the box for my 6-month-old daughter. This is May 2013. Here is a little menu of the things she got. There we go. And they encourage you to keep these little cards with the alphabet. I'm actually going to be cutting them out and laminating them so that we can get some use out of them. Again, here's the pretty tissue, and she got rice cake snacks. Big brother already got to them, so sorry about that. She also got a Barefoot Books book. It's a nice sturdy board book, and books are great. We love them. We also got a little bit of dish liquid, travel size, which is good. We have camping coming up, so I'll probably take this to wash her pacifiers and chew toys and stuff. So this is actually great. I've never tried this before. In honor of Mother's Day, they send moisture sticks, so I actually got 2 of these, plus the one that I had from my store stack, so I have 3. So I better be a moisturized mama. And then she got this awesome Green Toys toy stacker, and this is an eco-friendly, made from recyclable materials company. So there you have it. This is the box for my little baby girl. Thank you, and have a great day.